Hi, welcome to Jason's Vegan Kitchen. This next recipe is a great recipe to get greens in when you don't really particularly like the taste of greens, like kale or spinach. So I used to give this to my son when he was little, and he really hated spinach at the time, but it was quite good for him. Chocolate milkshake / smoothie coming up. Very easy and very quick to make. For this recipe, you'll need a cup of kale or spinach, 1 to 2 frozen sliced bananas, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cacao, a third of a cup of your favourite seeds or nuts, a teaspoon of vanilla, I often use powdered, 2 to 3 pitted dates, medjool preferred, or a few more if they're smaller, 2 cups of filtered water, and a cup of ice or extra water. Results will be better with a high power blender for this recipe, however it'll still work with a low power one, just won't be as smooth. So add all of your ingredients, so your cup of kale or spinach, frozen works well, add 1 to 2 sliced frozen bananas, add your third of a cup of seeds or nuts, I use pumpkin seeds for this one, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your raw cacao powder, add your optional vanilla, 1 teaspoon, add your 2 to 3 pitted dates, or 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup also works as a substitute. Add your 2 cups of filtered water, chilled, and then your cup of ice, or extra chilled water if you don't have any ice. Put your lid on and blend it on a high-speed blender for about 2 minutes. A low-speed blender will take a bit longer. If you've used ice or frozen foods, then it will be ready to drink straight away. Otherwise, just put it in a bottle and chill it until it's nice and cool. Keeps for about a week refrigerated. Make sure you give it a really good shake before drinking it. Here are a few top tips and things you may want to try. Firstly, I always use frozen ingredients where possible, as this keeps the milkshake raw and cool and ready to drink straight away. Secondly, I always use really spotted and ripe bananas, as this keeps it extra sweet. Try freezing these in ice cube trays if you've got some left over and reblend it as ice cream. Keep this in an airtight jar or a bottle in the fridge and it'll keep for about a week. If you're using a low speed blender, spinach blends easier than kale, and you could try a few of these other additions like a teaspoon of milled chia or flax, half an avocado, or some frozen mango, or a teaspoon of cinnamon. I hope you enjoyed that recipe for chocolate milkshake or chocolate smoothie. Please let me know what you thought in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.